Marhaban, Ana Jacket. Hi, I am Jacket. Welcome again to Jacket, the platform of learning. You are in 2 minute series, totally special series by your request. We will learn the 5 words today. So let's start. Lesson 2. Muhandis, engineer. Muhandis, engineer. Bayit, house. Bayit, house. Gurfatun Nawum, bedroom. Gurfatun Nawum, bedroom. Nawum, sleep. Nawum, sleep. Wasadah, pillow. Wasadah, pillow. Hada Bayit Jamil. This is a beautiful house. Huwa Muhandis. He is an engineer. La tadkhulu fi Gurfatun Nawum. Do not enter in my bedroom. Al-Taflun Naim. The baby is sleeping. Salasa Wasait. 3 pillows. Thanks for staying with me. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thanks again. Maassalam.